On December 21st, 2015, I launched the world's first Mega Amiibo. After 250,000 views, 10,000 likes, and nearly 2 years of pushing the boundary on what's possible for custom Amiibos and Nintendo collectibles, I think it's time to return where it began. Back to Mario and not just push the boundary, blow it sky high this time. Today, to kick off Independence Day in the United States of America, I'd like to present the Mega MURICA Mario.
Here we go!
Let's do it!
Woohoo!
Alright, next up, it is time to turn this into an Amiibo, as we always do. Okay, we've got this NFC chip right here, and we're gonna put this into the Mario to make it an Amiibo. Alright, here we go. Taking this, putting it right in the heel there. Boom.
Time to paint! Yeah! Yippee!
Okay, so if that's what we're going for, this is gonna require a ton of painter's tape. We're essentially gonna have to start, tape this off, spray his foot a dark red, then strip all of this like up and down and make white and red, then do the same for this, but in blue, and put stars on it and tape off the gloves. Then we're gonna have to do the hat and do stripes just like this. And then at that point, gold, I think that's it, and then we're good. Here we go. And we're out of sunlight on day 1. Jump to day 2. This is insane.
Okay, now I seriously need to figure out how to do a star.
Okay, so now we're actually gonna try to fill in some of these lines, and I think the best way to do that is to not re-spray paint them, but to actually spray paint one of these holders, get it in liquid form, and then use brushes to finish it off. Hopefully this works.
Ooh, that was nice.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the Mega MURICA Mario. I mean, this has to be the best thing I've ever made on this entire channel. Nothing beats these. And this thing took at least 5 hours each day for 2 days to finally get painted. Woohoo! Thank you so much for watching this video and my entire channel. Like, those of you who have stuck around, you are the absolute best. I hope you have an amazing 4th of July, or had if you're watching this after, and just keep making amazing things, keep dreaming, keep doing. And until next time,
Be sure to leave a like and a subscribe, right, Luigi?
Wah, good luck to ya.
You're not Luigi. Get out of my video! Wahoo! Zaba! Out!